welcome to Math Lesson 44. How are you today? Doing well? I really do miss you guys. I hope we get to be back together soon. We're going to get started right away with our lesson. We're talking about uneven division. Uneven division. So this is when you're dividing and you don't get 0 when you are finished. You know how when we're dividing, after you subtract, we always end up with 0, there's nothing left? Well, sometimes that doesn't happen, especially when you're dividing an odd number by 2. Because when you're dividing, you're putting something into even groups. And sometimes we have things left over. We don't actually make it into even groups. So look over here at my estrellas. I have 5 estrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to divide my 5 estrellas by 2, that means I need to put them into 2 equal groups. Well, here I have, or I need to put them into groups of 2, I should say. I can put them into groups of 2 and then find out how many groups I would have. Well, here I have one group of 2. Here I have another group of 2. And then I have one left over. It doesn't make 2, and I can't just put it in with my other ones. So I only can divide it into 2 equal groups of 2 with 1 left over. So I have 2 with 1 remaining. So my little r, that means remainder of 1. So I have 1 left over. How about this one right here? We're going to keep going with this idea. This is number 1, letter A. So look at letter A of number 1. It says 9 divided by 2. So I have 9 circles. No, I don't have 9 circles. I stopped drawing my circles before I was done. Let me fix that. Now I have 9 circles. Okay, so I have 9 circles. I'm going to put them into groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 2. And then how many left over? 1. So I have 4 groups of 2 balls with 1 left over. It's kind of hard for you to see that 4 because it's the same color. So let me move that. So we have 4 groups of balls of 2 balls with 4 left over. Let's try this one, letter B, 3 divided by 2. So we're going to divide it into groups of 2. There's 1 group of 2, and then we have 1 left over. So I have 1 group of 2 balls with 1 ball left over. Let's do the last one together, letter C. 7 divided by 2. So I divide it into groups of 2. There's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 balls with 1 left over. So that's how we divide divide when we have an uneven number. We keep dividing it into even groups, and then we have our 1 that is left over. Or sometimes you'll have more than 1 left over, as you'll see in other division problems. Okay, you'll see right below in number 1, right below each of your letters, you have a division fact. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You can ignore that. You don't have to do anything with it, okay? So, ignorarlos. Number 2, you can put a big X over it. You don't need to do it, okay? Do not do number 2. Turning over your page to page 88, once again, number 3 and number 4. Put a big X over number 3 and number 4. You do not need to do those exercises. Number 5, divide and check. That one you do need to do. So divide, check your problem. Number 6 says write the value of 4 in each number. Let's do letter A together. So number 4, or letter A, the number 4, what place is it in? You have 214,629. The 4 is in the thousands place. So what value does a number have in the thousands place? Well, in the thousands place, the 4 has the value of 4,000. So you see where it is, you just write that number and write the rest of the numbers behind it become zeros. Okay, do the same thing with B, C, and D. Number 7, you need to count the dollar money and you need to count the coins and write that. Then you have a brain booster. Let's read that together. This geometric shape is a curved line. All the points on the line are at an equal distance from the center. What shape is it? So it's a curved line. Curved, remember, it means it's not straight. All the points on this curve are at an equal distance from the center. What shape is it? I'll give you one more hint. Okay, what shape would that be? All right, that's it for today. Shorter video, okay? Bye, have a great day.